Does anyone know what mid-side is?
You know, who'll know? Tell us, Mr. Audio.
In 1934, British electronics engineer Alan Blumlein, who was a pioneer of stereo recording, proposed a microphone technique called mid-side, using two coincident microphones. Coincident in this case means that the mics are practically touching each other. Generally, the mid-mic is a cardioid pattern, but not always, and the side mic is always a bidirectional figure-8 pattern that is oriented at 90 degrees to the mid-mic. The two mics are recorded on separate tracks. For monitoring or playback, the mid-mic is panned to the center and the side mic is routed to two faders. One is panned left and one is panned right. The phase of the right side mic is reversed. The two side mics should have identical gain. Lowering the level of the side mics will make the signal more mono. Raising the level of the side mics will make the stereo signal wider. Besides not having to have a matched pair of mics to record stereo, the big advantage of using a mid-side arrangement is that the stereo signal is 100% mono-compatible, since it uses differences in volume instead of time delays to create the left and right channels.
Thanks, Mr. Audio.
For more interesting facts about sound, visit Mr. Audio at soundimages.com.